So what exactly is Kartra? That's what I'm going to help you figure out in this video. We're going to go over all the high level features, and hopefully by the end of the video, you'll be able to decide whether it's a tool that can help out with your business. Hi everyone, it's Kevin from Solopreneur, and I help entrepreneurs create and build online businesses. Recently, there has been the influx, the explosion of sales funnel software. And if you're watching this video, you've probably heard about Kartra and you're wondering, what exactly is it and how does it work? Who is it for? Will it benefit my business? So we're going to cover all that, and I'm going to try and keep this really simple and give you a high level understanding of what it is and how it could potentially help out your business. Okay, so what exactly is Kartra? Well, you can look at it like sort of the Swiss Army knife for your business. It is an all-in-one suite of software to help you run your business. So let's go over the features really quickly. It can make web pages and landing pages for you. It's all drag and drop. They have tons of templates. So basically any kind of web page or landing page, squeeze page, video web page, sales page, all of that done for you. It's all drag and drop. It's also a CRM of sorts. So all of your contacts, all of your leads, how much anyone has ever paid, what they've done, all of that built into Kartra. It's also email marketing software, so you can create beautiful emails. You can do advanced things like split testing. There's automations. There's branching logic. So if someone opens this email, then send them email B, and then if not, they do this. It's also a membership site, so you can create an online course. You can have a specialized paid offering. So basically, you can build a digital product with a subscription revenue using this membership feature. Hey, real quick, if you're getting value out of this video, do me a favor and hit the like button. Consider subscribing to the channel. I release new videos weekly, and let's jump right back into it. It's also an amazing video player. It's branded for you. You can actually have deep analytics. You can see who watched how much of the video. You can have like a lead capture form within it. It's also help desk software. So obviously if you're running an online business and you're selling any kind of online product or service, there are going to be people with questions. So how do you manage that? Well, Kartra has that covered. It's also a calendar. Let's say you have coaching you do, or you have sessions or clients or calls, or however you want to schedule your business. All of that is built into Kartra. Also have amazing lead capture devices and forms. So you have opt-in forms, you have video forms, you have pop-outs, you have top bars, so many different forms and ways to capture new leads and new prospects and add to your mailing list. Also, Kartra can help you run an agency. So if you want to actually use Kartra and have accounts under you, you can do that. And there's all kinds of earning models. So there's a lot of features it has. But the real power and benefit of Kartra is the funnels and campaigns or marketing automation functionalities. So what that means is it's great that you have, say, all of these tools. Say you have email and a landing page and you're running ads, and then you have coaching you do, and then maybe you have special offers and all of these things. But how do you put it all together? If you're not a digital marketing strategist with years and years of experience, how do you do, upsells, downsells, cross sells? How do you nurture your clients? Just so many things. How does it all fit together? Up until this point, you've had to figure that out for yourself. So let's say you had email software like MailChimp or Aweber. They're going to tell you about email. If you go into their support resources, maybe they'll have some helpful learning and training, digital marketing training, but it'll be all about email. If you have website software or landing page software, say Lead Pages or Squarespace, they're going to tell you about website strategy and so on and so forth. Form strategy, like let's say you're looking at Opt-in Monster or Hello Bar, or let's say you're looking at a help desk. But how does this all fit together in your business in an integrated way? Well, that's what Kartra helps you figure out. So what makes it really cool, and this is where the value of Kartra is. Let's look at the Kartra backend. They actually have done for you campaigns. So if we go to available campaigns, you can see here that Kartra actually has all of that stuff done for you and how it all fits together. So let's just give you an example here. Let's say you're trying to do a free membership model. So you can it'll have a little video that you can play that'll explain exactly what this campaign is, and it shows you how it works. So we can see here that there's an opt-in form, there's a thank you page, and then there's membership area. And then there's an email in between, and you can see the different membership levels and how it all works together. And what's cool about this is is Kartra will build all of these flows immediately for you. Let's go over one more as an example. So you can look at it almost like playbooks, right? So like you can see, okay, there's a sales video, here's a tag, here's all of this email. Like the strategy and the number of tools you'd need to understand to be able to do this would be crazy, and the time. But with Kartra, let's say you saw there's 21 items in this. All we do is we just go to deploy. We can name it like test or whatever, simple or whatever it is, and we go import. Give it a few seconds, and what Kartra then does is imports all of these assets in and walks you through step by step how to build out this campaign. And you can modify and customize it to your will, but you can see here, you go to done and you can see it's imported all of those assets for us. So it's just saying, okay, so first let's start with the tags, and there's videos for everything. How do I do that? Then, okay, you need your video assets. Then you need your sequences for how it's going to work, and then your products, and then your pages. So that's really where the power comes in. It is the sequence builder, and it is the strategy they're giving you, the proven done for you campaigns, and the proven strategy that they've done testing this over and over and over. And up until this point, until the invention of these sales funnel softwares, this really wasn't possible because there was all of these disparate tools. So your MailChimp, you had to make it work with your lead pages, and then make it work with your Wix or your Squarespace, and then try and make that work with your opt-in monster and all of these different products. Or you could buy something like HubSpot, which is marketing automation software that's thousands of dollars. I use that with some of my companies, honestly, that I work with. They're enterprise level companies, so it's a different scale than, a lot of the people like us who are doing small businesses, smaller online businesses. And, it makes sense in that scenario, but, that was the only way you would ever get a tool set similar to this, where you would have lead scoring, email, automations, website builder, all of that in one. So that's kind of what Kartra is at a high level. Yes, it's all of these software that you would have to buy anyways, but the real value are these done for you campaigns that show you how to put it all together, and it's just you follow the tutorials. So taking a look at the pricing, it is actually a phenomenal value. Like I mentioned, there are about 10 tools that you would need to replace it. Lead pages or Squarespace for your website, Aweber for email marketing, lead capture like Opt-in Monster, a membership portal like Teachable, video hosting like Vistia, help desk software like Zendesk, calendar software like Calendly. I'm just looking at my notes here. Agency software, that's a special thing on its own. So originally, when I was looking at this, I'm like, ooh, $99, $199, man, that's a bit of, that's a little bit of money. But when you actually think about that, each of these systems cost like 10 to even 100 or 200 or more. It's actually a pretty good value. And looking at these pricing models here, it really just comes down to where the scale of your business is, right? Like if you still are starting out and you don't have this many clientele, or you only have one domain, these sort of things, you don't actually need the $199 plan. You can just go with the $99. And what's really cool about Kartra, it's almost risk-free, because you can get it doesn't show you here. I'll have a link in the description that you can actually, instead of just trying it out like here, you can actually get a 14-day free trial. So just click the link in the description and you guys can get a 14-day free trial. Full transparency, it is an affiliate link. And so what that means is that if you guys try the trial and then you choose to buy it, I get a small commission. And so that commission isn't from you. It comes out of their profits. So it's basically like you get to tip me if you found this helpful. You get to tip me without your own money. So, it's appreciated. If you guys want to help me out, and if you want to, support the channel, and if this software you found, if this software is helpful for you, and if you guys, if this video helped you make a good decision on whether Kartra is right for you. So personally, I've been playing with Kartra a little while now, and I love it. I am, to be honest, like I said, I'm using HubSpot as well with some companies I work with, and I've been a digital marketer for 10 plus years. So I am probably one of those people who wouldn't need Kartra as much, but take it from me, I find the time savings insane. For me to have to build these sequences in each of these tools, it's crazy. And the other thing that Kartra does that no other platform does, it has AI. So imagine, like, for example, and this is something I'm just experimenting with now, but imagine if someone it has repeated behaviors. Like someone does like they've watched 40% of this video and then they've done this and they've done that. Kartra can actually, using AI, trigger different behaviors for both of those people and build dynamic sequences in real time. So obviously that's more advanced, but the point I'm making is that this tool, once you start growing with your business, it really can mature with you. Like, I'm not using those tools yet. I'm just experimenting with some of those AI functionalities yet because I think it's a newer feature too. But I'm just saying I'm really excited to continue developing my businesses with Kartra. So if you guys want to try it out, like I mentioned, the link is in the description. And if you found this video helpful, give me a like. And if you want more content like this, subscribe to the channel. I release new videos weekly. And if you're wondering what to watch next, watch this video where I explain exactly what a sales funnel is. I know you've probably heard that term if you're looking at Kartra, so I just go more into depth what exactly it is.